Wait. My lord, in item number 29, I have filed an additional affidavit, my lord, that may be called for. Just to bring on record in order, my lord.
Item
29, my lord. I filed an additional affidavit this morning, my lord. That may be called for.
29.
29. Supplementary.
Oh. So what is to be?
My lord, I have filed an additional affidavit this morning, my lord. They will call for, let them bring it on record. They will bring it, my lord. That's-
Okay. No need to pass.
No, no need to pass any
Okay.
order. Obliged.
May I, your lordship?
Yes, ma'am.
My lord, I beg to mention item number 1, my lord.
Item 1.
1, my lord, admission, my lord. My lord, may kindly pause this matter after 4 weeks, my lord.
You are mentioning on behalf of,
Petitioner.
why 4 weeks? We give you 2 weeks.
Uh,
Okay, we give you 2 weeks, 4 weeks.
my lord.
Okay. Your good name?
E permit.
E permit.
E permit.
MS E permit. The learned counsel for the petitioner. 6 adjournment of the case for 2 weeks. Where is allowed? Listed accordingly. Okay. Yes.
May I, my lord?
Yes.
My lord, item number 12. My lord, I on behalf of Mr. Orin Modi for the sole respondent. With consent from the other side, my lord, this matter may be leased after vacation.
You are not the counsel.
Yes, for the
Are you a
respondent.
counsel?
For the respondent on the behalf of Mr. Orin Modi.
Mr. So-and-so makes a mention on behalf of Mr. So-and-so, the learned counsel for the sole respondent, and seeks adjournment of the case after 3 weeks. Where is allowed? Listed accordingly.
Much,
May I, your lordship?
Yes, please.
Your lordship, I would like to mention item number 19. I'm appearing on the behalf of counselor for the applicant.
Applicant,
Yes, my lord.
appellant.
Appellant, my lord. The matter may be listed after vacation, my lord.
Mr. Your good name?
T. Yima.
The,
Yima.
you're the counsel for the
Applicant. Behalf of applicant, your lordship.
appellant.
Hmm.
Mr. So-and-so, the learned counsel for the appellant, seeks adjournment of the case after 3 weeks.
Much,
Where is allowed? Listed-
much obliged.
Yeah, please, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, I beg to mention item number 7.
7.
The leading counsel, Mr. S. Borthakur, could not appear today as it was not a fixed matter. Can it be listed on October 3rd?
Mr. So-and-so submits that.
S. Borthakur,
What happened to him?
my lord, he is from Guwahati. So the matter was not fixed. So yesterday only he, by way of this cause list, he was made aware.
Mr. So-and-so makes a mention on behalf of Mr. S. Bothakur, the counsel for the
Applicant.
applicant, and seeks adjournment of the case after
My lord, a fixed date, October 3rd,
on
3/10,
3/10/2023,
highly obliged.
listed accordingly.
May I, lordship?
Yes, please.
I like to mention item number 3 and 4
3 and 4
on behalf of T. Tapak.
on behalf of
T. Tapak, Taguk Tapak,
the counsel for the
petitioner.
counsel. 3 and 4.
Yeah.
Yes, what is your period?
After 4 weeks.
4 weeks. No. Mr. So-and-so, 3 and 4, okay? 3 and 4. Mr. So-and-so makes a mention on behalf of Mr. So-and-so, the learned counsel for the petitioner, and seeks adjournment of the case after 2 weeks. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly.
May it please
Yes.
your lordship. This is an anticipatory bail application, your lordship. The petitioner before your lordship is a young man of around 28 years and a regular government employee also. The ID card lordship will find at the last page. Now, the issue that has happened is that he has been caught in a bar fight. Now, there has been a scuffle between both the sides, and FIR has been filed by both the persons. And injuries have also taken place in both sides, lordship. So if I may now, lordship, take your lordship to the FIR first. Page 15, if your lordship will come to page 15. This is the FIR that has been filed by the other side. May I just read the FIR also?
Hmm.
With due respect, I would like to inform you that I have received, the mother has filed this FIR. I have received a call from one Taba Paul that my son, Tomim Sikom, has been admitted in the hotel Alphabet Nirjuli. He informed that the accused Nabam Joel hit his son with a wooden stick and stone in his head, leading to grievous injuries in the whole part of the body. May I just pause here? There is no section in this FIR regarding any grievous injury. In fact, section for grievous injury has not been even attracted. He was hit in his head, stick with his head number of times to kill him at the spot, because of which he is still unconscious in the hospital and referred to TRIMS for further medical treatment. Later, he again came and damaged his vehicle at Nirjuli and also attacked Sri Taba Paul, who was trying to save my son, who has received injury in the back of the neck. Now, this is the FIR. Based on this FIR lawsuit, there has been no section of injury been added to this case. However, because in that FIR, it has been exaggerated that tried to kill with a stick. Therefore, 307 has been brought in here, so as to bring in attempt of murder. Now, if your lordship will kindly come to the FIR that has been filed by us on this very same day also. That is at page 22. This is basically a bar fight under intoxication. Both sides were injured, but then they were all simple injuries. In fact, injury sections have not even been attracted in this FIR. And I admit that there was a scuffle. At page 22, if your lordship.
Where is the report to show that he is a government servant?
Yes, the last page 28, lordship. He is a regular government employee, lordship. A young man of around 28 years.
Page, Mr. Sharma?
28, lordship. 28, last page.
Okay.
He is working in the veterinary department as a stockman, designation stockman, a regular employee, lordship. So there is no question of evading or skipping bail. He will cooperate, lordship.
Where is his residence?
Lordship.
Where is his residence? Where
Resident.
does he reside?
Lordship, he resides here itself in Nirjuli, Papumpare, Arunachal Pradesh.
Yes, you get the.
Case diary.
Heard.
I'm praying for an interim protection, lordship, and I'll go and give my report, give my statement, lordship.
Heard Mr.
Yes, sir.
A. Sharma,
Yes, sir.
the learned counsel for the applicant. Stop. This application has been filed under section 438 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973, seeking for pre-arrest bail in connection with Nirjuli PS case number 86/2023 under section 341, 307/427. Mr. A. Sharma, the learned counsel for the applicant, taking this court to the FIR dated
Also 10/9/23.
to the 10/9/2023, submits that the same was lodged subsequent to a bar fight between the accused, between the applicant
And the accused.
and the victim and the victim, in which the applicant himself had sustained injuries. And counter FIR has been also lodged.
Page 20.
It is further the case of the learned counsel for the applicant. Learned senior counsel,
No, not yet.
you should be.
Okay.
Learned counsel for the applicant. That the applicant is a regular government employee serving as a stockman in under the government of Arunachal Pradesh in the Directorate of AH and Veterinary near Julie.
Near Julie.
And to this effect, the identity card issued by the department concerned has also been enclosed. The learned counsel for the applicant submits that the applicant is deeply rooted in the society and there is no chance for the applicant to abscond the process of law.
Yes.
My lord,
Stop. Issue notice. Miss, you're present for the state. Yes.
and my lord, I am representing the victim, my lord.
Mr. So-and-so. The learned public prosecutor appears for the state and Mr.
El Kurdu,
So-and-so
For respondent number 2.
appears for the respondent number 2. Stop. The learned counsel, the learned public prosecutor shall produce the case diary and the medical report pertaining to the case. In the interim,
my lord, may I make a small submission, my lord?
yes,
My lord, regarding the fact of the case, my lord, I have some submission, my lord. Since my
that
lord,
you,
my lord,
actually the case diary is produced, you can make your submission.
my lord, injuries, my lord, is very grievous in nature, my lord.
That's why we have to call for the medical report. After that, let us see. In the interim. In the interim, pre-arrest bail is granted to the applicant on the following conditions. Stop. 1. The applicant shall appear before the officer in charge / IO, Nirjuli Police Station.
Police station.
Is it Nirjuli Police Station?
Near Julie, yes, your lordship.
Sorry, man. Usually.
On,
On third, man,
on,
3rd of October.
on 3/10/2023. Number 2. The applicant shall not leave the jurisdiction of Nirjuli Police Station without permission from the officer in charge of the police station concerned. Stop. Number 3. In the event of arrest, the applicant shall be released on execution of a bail bond of rupees 10,000 with surety of a like amount.
Yes, your lordship.
Number 4, the applicant shall not tamper with the evidence of investigating agency or prosecution witnesses. Number 5, violation of any of this condition shall lead to automatic cancellation of bail.
Yes, your lordship.
Listed on,
My lord, instead of 3rd, my lord, can it be on 29th? And on 3rd, this matter can be listed. In the meantime, we can obtain the case diary, my lord. He shall appear before the IO on 29th, and this matter can be fixed on 3rd of October.
3rd of October is difficult for me, your lordship. Can it be?
appearance 29, Mr. Sharma?
Yes, yes, I have no difficulty in that. Regarding
Okay,
listing of the
instead
matter
of-
again.
Instead of 3rd, 29. 29, okay, shall appear before the police station on 29,
29th.
okay? So
Regarding,
it is to your advantage. Instead of allowing the applicant to abscond,
yes, it doesn't lead to anything. lordship.
yes, let them appear before the police. And on the next date, we will see the case diary and the medical report. Then let us see, let us see.
My lord, actual nature of injury is very grievous in nature, so
I
that's
know,
why.
I know, maybe.
With a stick, so.
Yes. Let us see, because actually like if we, without giving interim, if we extend the date for hearing of this application,
Right.
then he will continue to abscond. So we are giving a direction to the applicant to appear before the police station on 29th.
Yes, Lordship.
It is to the benefit, advantage of everyone, okay?
Can it be on 11th, Lordship?
Listed on,
11th of October.
11th, it's
So wait,
too long, my lord. Or else it can be on 30th of this month, my lord. It's nearby only. I
30th.
can obtain the case diary. 30th of this month. 30, my lord.
30th, this week I have a difficult. Then can
Saturday is
can it be
Saturday.
on, can it be on 6th, Lordship, 6th of October?
30, is it
Sorry,
not a
sorry.
holiday?
It's Saturday, my lord. But it can be on 6th, it's fine.
On 6th, Lordship, then 6th of October.
Listed on 6/10/2023. Okay.
Deeply obliged, Lordship.
Yes. Yes, what is your case? This also anticipates. What
Yes,
is it?
Lord.
List of public property, okay, okay. Jambi.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes, please.
Lordship. Lordship, this matter, lordship, before I take your lordship kind attention to the FIR, lordship. The background leading to the filing of this FIR is that, lordship. There was a student election, lordship.
Your record.
Lordship.
Your
Lordship,
good name, please, your good name.
I have submitted
What is your good name?
J Sring, my lord. The first one.
Jambli
Sring,
Srirang,
Sring.
public prosecutor.
Yes,
Okay, okay, okay. There are.
for my
so
lord's
many-
convenient, I have submitted that.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay. Thank you. Yes,
may I, lordship?
yes, please.
Lordship, there was a student election, lordship. Applicant who was supposed to contest for the post of general secretary in the Rajiv Gandhi University Student Union, lordship.
Oh.
That is at the university, lordship. So what happened?
Rajiv Gandhi,
Rajiv Gandhi University, lordship.
Rajiv Gandhi
University, lordship.
University.
At Duimok, lordship. Lordship, the applicant
Rajiv
is
Gandhi University, Rono Hills, Dreamuk.
Corona Hill Duimok. Exactly, lordship. Lordship. Applicant is a lordship pursuing his academic lordship in the third semester of mass communication, lordship. So there was a election, lordship, and during that election process, lordship, the applicant, he wanted to participate for the post of general secretary, lordship. And the complainant also, lordship, the complainant, one of the supporter, lordship, that is Tapa Motu, lordship. He is also contesting for the same post. Though the applicant, though the complainant and the applicant, lordship, they are from the same tribe and the same community, lordship, from the same district, lordship. What happened, lordship, during the election process, lordship, the application for the applicant for the post of general secretary, lordship, it has been rejected by the election committee. On the ground that since the applicant, he has one big paper in the second semester, lordship. For that reason, lordship, his application was rejected, lordship. And once the voting, thereafter, lordship, the voting process has started, lordship. Now, instead of applicant and his supporter, lordship, instead of supporting his rival candidate, lordship, they decided to support the other candidate who are from the other communities, lordship, not from the same communities, lordship. And in the meantime, lordship, what happened, lordship, when this was informed by the applicant and his supporter, lordship, they are not going to support the complainant and his party during this election process, lordship. They start threatening to the voters, the students, lordship. And when this matter came to the light before the applicant, lordship, he along with the other supporter, they went to discuss the matter with the complainant and his party, lordship. In the meantime, what happened, lordship? They indulged into a physical fight, lordship. And in that process, lordship, the present complainant, lordship, he fell down on the tiles floor, lordship. And because of that, his one tooth has been fell down.
Who fell down?
Complainant, lordship.
Oh,
Lordship. He fell down and his jaw has been fractured, lordship. Not even a single weapon has been used by the applicant, lordship. And during that process, lordship, when this matter was informed before the election committee, lordship, the election committee has suggested the applicant to file a complaint before the police station also. Now we have filed a complaint before the police station on 19/9/2023, lordship. Lordship will find it page number 12, lordship. This is the FIR filed by us, lordship. We have filed this application, lordship. We have filed this complaint before the OCPS BIMOC, lordship. If your lordship may allow, then I can read the content also, lordship. But this FIR has not been registered, lordship. The reason being, lordship, the reason being, lordship, since the applicant and the complainant's party, since they are from the same tribe and the same district, lordship, so they wanted to resolve the matter among themselves, lordship. So instead of that, some of the students, they have approached the applicant to not to insist the police to register this case against the applicant, because all the complainant and applicant, they are the student, lordship. They are the regular students. And thereafter, lordship, we have decided not to, we have informed the police that since you keep the whole of this FIR, lordship, not to register. In the meantime, lordship, what happened? On the behest of the rival candidate for the post of general secretary, or on his behest, lordship, complaint has been initiated against us, lordship. Now that complaint, lordship, will find at type copy, lordship, will find at page number 70, lordship. Accordingly, the BIMOC PS has, lordship, registered a case against us, lordship, under section 326
Yes,
and 34, lordship.
Mr. PP,
My lord, since this is a case of 326, we may require a medical document for the perusal of the same.
yes, in the interim, we consider.
Yes, ma'am. We have the counsel for the victim as well.
Yes.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I am for the victim. Lordship, I may be allowed to assist the learned VPN, and I have one point to make a submission, Lordship. Since Lordship, I have sustained a grievous injury out of their group assault, and then day before yesterday itself, I have underwent a surgery. And then to that effect, I have submitted a medical report to the investigation officers, Lordship. So at this stage, I humbly pray about the considerations of the interim.
Produce the case diary as well as the medical report.
Exactly.
Yes. Mr. Spencer, the learned counsel for the applicant. So this application has been filed under section 438 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973, seeking for pre-arrest bail in connection with DMK/PS/case number 54/2023 under section 326 IPC. Also heard Mr. J. Sering, the learned public prosecutor for the state, and Mr. So for the
Peter.
respondent number 2. For the respondent number 2,
No, lordship, there is no respondent number 2.
Oh,
lordship.
for the victim, for the victim. So, the learned public prosecutor shall produce the case diary and the medical report on the next date fixed. Stop. New paragraph. Considering that the applicant is a student of Rajiv Gandhi University, Rono Hills, Duimuk, What is this course called? Doing his mass communication?
Lordship, mass communication third semester.
Okay, doing his mass communication and is deeply rooted into society. This court grants aid interim bail, aid interim pre-arrest bail to the applicant on the following conditions. So, number one, that the applicant shall appear before the officer in charge / IO. Is it Duimuk?
Lordship.
Duimuk Police
Duimuk,
Station.
Lordship.
Duimuk Police Station. On
29th.
29. 9/20/23. Stop. Two, the applicant shall not leave the jurisdiction of Duimuk Police Station without the prior permission of the OC / IO of the police station concerned. Stop. Number three, in the event of arrest of the applicant, Kumar, he shall be released on executing a bail bond of rupees 10,000 with the surety of the like amount. So, number four, that the petitioner shall not tamper with the evidence of the investigating agency or prosecution agencies. Number five, violation of any of the other conditions shall lead to automatic cancellation of this bail. Listed on,
6th, my lord.
listed on 6/10/2023. The same with the rest.
Lordship, till
Yes.
item number 27, Lordship. Item number 27. In item number 27 and 26, they are not the student of Arju, but they are the student of the college student. Lordship.
Item 26, ma'am. Item 26, 27, just see your identity card. Okay,
DNGC.
okay.
Biblio.
Highly obliged.
My lord, I'm on the behalf of the petitioner counsel. He's out of station. I would pray to adjourn.
Mr. Panging,
Yes,
this is your case.
yes, I am
You're
put
the
a,
respondent.
my lord.
What to do? The petitioner's counsel is out.
My lord, some other day, my lord.
You were mentioning this case, right? Additional affidavit regarding.
No,
this-
no, my lord, item 29.
Okay. Okay. Mr. Renzo submits that Mr. So-and-so submits that the learned counsel for the petitioner, Mr. So-and-so is out of station and therefore seeks adjournment of the case for
After Durga Puja holidays.
3 weeks. Listed accordingly. Who is 1 and 2 respondent?
Respondents, step has already been taken in this case.
You are for the appellant.
Yes, I am for the appellant.
Who are the respondents?
One, Tumia, Fogo, and two of the respondents.
What to do?
Lordship,
Just wait, okay?
since I am also not prepared today. It is for admission hearing.
19/7/2023 in respect of respondent number 2 after due discharge and same kept Okay, AD received in respect of respondent number 2.
Yes,
What about 1?
both of them have received,
No, nothing is recorded here.
but it has been, from the registry, I find that the receipt has been given to the registry.
Usual process. That's the service. Okay,
Lordship, actually, it was the record was furnished to the registry already.
what record?
Receipt of the service copy.
What record?
Receipt of acknowledgement card.
Yes, but none of them is there before this court. So you take steps once again. Okay, you have the interim operating in your favor.
All right.
Can you take steps by Dusty Service? Can you take
Yeah. By registered person.
as well as by Dusty?
Yes,
As well as by Dusty.
yes.
Mr. So-and-so, the learned counsel for the appealant shall take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 1 and 2 by registered post, shall once again take steps, okay? For service of notice upon the respondent number 1 and 2 by registered post with AD as well as by Dusty process within a period of within a period of
Within a period of 1 week.
1 week, within a period of 7 days from today. Listed again on,
After a break.
listed again, listed after 3 weeks. So the interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next returnable date. Okay?
Of license.
Yes. Yes,
Your Honor, I may be allowed to withdraw the petition, Your Honor. There are some correction to be made, petition as well as in agreement, Your Honor. With a liberty to file press.
okay. Mr. So-and-so, the learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he may be allowed to withdraw the petition with liberty to file a fresh. Prayer is allowed, petition is allowed to be withdrawn with liberty to file. Okay.
All right.
Your Lordship, the leading counsel is not present here, Lordship. He is in court room number 1 on another matter. So your Lordship may kindly pass over.
It is submitted that Mr. So-and-so submits that the leading counsel for the applicant is on his leg in court number 1. Listed after week. Okay,
Obliged, Lordship.
no, after week, after week.
Pay your lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, this application has been filed under section 482 for quashing of usually PS case number 48 of 2021 under section 417 and 420 of IPC, read with section 138 of NI Act, your lordship. Here, respondent number 2 has been steps has been taken upon respondent number 2 and that has been duly served, but it has not been represented till date, your lordship. Here the dispute is, your lordship, is a purely civil nature, your lordship.
Let us see,
Lordship.
Who is the respondent number 2?
Respondent number 2 is the complainant, your lordship, who has lodged a complaint.
CD was placed before this court and it's a part of record. And investigation was stayed by this court. Interim is there. And now respondent 2 is not contesting the case. In spite of duly served notice, receiving of duly served notice.
Where is the order to show that the notice has been received?
It is in office note 14/9/2022. 14/9/2022. Pro OCPS New Delhi. And as per order dated 33/2022, private counsel for the petitioner withdrawn his baklapama.
33.
33/2022. As per order dated private counsel was there.
33/2023.
22. And accordingly, amicus was appointed. So neither party is interested to pursue the matter. Matter may be disposed for non-prosecutions. Yes, amicus is already there.
Yes, we'll listen for hearing. Office note dated 14/9/2022 reflects that service report in respect of respondent number 2 has been received from OC Police Station, Nirjali, and the same is placed with the records. Heard MS so-and-so, stop, heard MS so-and-so. Not before that. The notice upon the respondent number 2 is therefore deemed certain. Heard MS so the learned counsel for the petitioner and
Amicus Curiae. Cis amicus
Amicus Curiae and Mr.
Gitado. Gitado. Additional PP.
G. Tado,
Yeah.
additional public prosecutor for the state
State.
respondent. List the matter for hearing on
After puja break, your lordship.
after 3 weeks.
Then your worship, let the status, updated CD may be called for. If court is going to, this honorable court is going to dispose of it in merit,
The updated.
and
status-
stay may be vacated. Because investigation is already on state.
No, your lordship.
No,
I
no.
have, I have.
The
objections.
updated status report
Updated
shall
status
be
of
produced
CD.
by the learned PP on the next date fixed.
And your lordship stay order dated 7/9/21 may be continued till.
It may be vacated, so that,
The
let us update maybe
passed earlier shall continue till the next written.
Obliged.
of less.
This is item.
Lordship, the service report has been completed to the private respondent,
No,
to the sole respondent.
no. What to do? What is to be done?
Maybe list after some time.
AD card received. Well, let us wait for some time. Let us wait because actually 22/9/2023. Just recently, it is reflected that they have received the AD. So let us wait for
Yes.
some time. Mr. So-and-so appears for the petitioner,
Petitioner,
correct?
yes,
Stop. Listed again after 3 weeks.
interim order, sir. Lordship interim order.
Stop. The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next return. moment.
Highly.
Oh.
Yeah, Lordship. Lordship, the scan copy of LCR was called for, but from the record it revealed that has not been received.
LCR not yet received from the.
Yes, not
received.
it.
By which order LCR was called for?
Last one.
By order 8/9 of 2020.
LCR as well as CD was called for. Neither CD nor LCR was,
LCR and
as well as CD.
not received.
Yes, not. LCR by registry and CD by prosecution.
Registry of the lower court.
No, from LCR from the lower court, it was through registry.
The scanned copy of the LCR called for by this court on 8/9/2023 has not been received. Stop. Registry to take steps. Also, also. The case diary is also, it is submitted by Mr. So-and-so, the learned PP, that the case diary is yet to be received. Listed again after
After receiving of the scanned copy of LRC.
Listed again, listed after receipt of the LCR and the case type.
Obliged.
Deeply obliged.
Of which supplementary?
May I please, my lord. My
Yes.
lord, matter may be pass over for a while. Senior counsel is in another court.
What is the matter about?
Cancellation of.
Yesterday part had matter, your lord.
Yes.
Where the notice was issued to the informant and the victim of.
Yes, we'll hear him.
Yes,
Have you gone through the judgment?
yes,
It is not
But-
against,
but Lordship,
It
here-
is-
For motion actually.
have you been authorized?
I don't need to be authorized. by
You don't need to be authorized.
Chapter 4, Rule 7.
Civil revision.
Yes. Anybody, my lord, any person having cognizance of the facts can file the affidavit. I have done it many times. There's no issue.
What is the matter about?
My lord, what has happened is a Kawang decision was
This is coming up for the first time.
first time, my lord,
Item,
29.
item 29.
Because of the authorization part, it has come in orders. my lord.
Item 29.
What has happened is just
So
point out
who has filed this petition?
this Obid Darin,
And who is this Obid?
he is the petitioner.
He is the petitioner.
Yes, affidavit has been sworn by the son of the petitioner, Togga Darin. Affidavit,
Affidavit has been sworn by the son of the petitioner.
yes, that's permissible.
Why not the petitioner when you have actually like?
His son was available here, that's why.
no,
Vakarannam we have brought from Pasigat.
I don't know. Let us see.
If your lordship may have the Guwahati High Court rules, my lord.
Let's see what the High Court rules,
Chapter 4, Rule 7,
chapter 4,
Rule 7,
chapter 4,
it's page 27, man.
chapter 4, rule 7.
Page 27. At the very top,
Rule 7.
yes. The facts stated in such application shall be verified by the solemn affirmation of the applicant or by an affidavit to be annexed to the application. Note, the affidavit may be by any person having cognizance of the facts stated.
Will this provision not apply where actually there are several persons?
No, my lord. Several persons may join in the affidavit, he is deposing separately. Here only one person. Affidavit may be by any person having cognizance of facts stated. On this matter, there is a judgment by the Honorable, our High Court also. Referring to chapter.
No, what is your case?
My case is, my lord, the Kabang decision was rendered on 25/2/2021. Against that, the respondent filed an appeal before the Deputy Commissioner. Deputy Commissioner transferred it to the district judge. On the same subject matter that is pending now, on the same subject matter, a summon has been issued again by the village authority on 15/9/2023. That is the case. It's pending, my lord. Appeal filed by the, on the same subject matter, now he has issued this summon at page 42 of the civil division.
42,
42,
42.
42. This
What
is
is
the,
let's first see your prayer. What is your prayer? Let us. Caution set aside the impugn order dated 12/9 Kebang some.
15/9.
Impugn order dated 12/9/2023 passed by.
I am sorry, my lord, has not been properly drafted, I'm sorry. 12/9, my lord, is at page 41.
Page,
41,
this is 12/9, correct?
yes. 12/9, this is in the local language, translate,
Page,
my lord, page
Page?
41, my lord,
41,
translated copy,
page 41.
yes. The
Through
head,
this letter.
yes, yes.
Through
It's
this
not-
letter, I would like to inform that my health is not feeling well. This letter,
Yes, it is not required actually. It should
so
not
I
have
request you to
been.
conduct a kibang regarding the complaint letter.
The head Gaumuri sends it to the another Gaumura. So he issues a summon at page 42. That should,
Where is the order?
page 42.
42.
Yes. Is in the local dialect. 43 we are challenging, my lord.
According to the other parts by head GB, Sri has claimed the land of Sri Gandhi so and so to perform the last rites of. According to the complaint, there is no reason to claim the land for performing the last rites of our father. For this reason, Kabang will fix date on. So
26.
this is fixing a date.
Yes. this
Where is the order of the Kibang?
No Kabang, my lord. But what I am submitting is,
Okay.
once a decision has already been taken and the matter is pending on appeal
The
before the.
Kibang cannot summon.
Yes. That is my case.
Where have you stated that the same subject matter is pending? Where have you stated in which para?
My lord, just a moment. In fact, if your lordship kindly have the additional affidavit, my lord, there I have.
Additional
Yes.
affidavit.
Because I'm sorry, my lord, not properly drafted.
Additional affidavit,
Yes.
page. Just with the additional. Yes, page
Page number 2,
page number 2.
Hmm.
Ah,
paragraph 2, the opponent begs to state that the aforementioned CRP has been filed challenging the Kabang summon dated 15/9/2023 on the principal ground that the Kabang has already been held on the same issue in a decision.
which you are in, page.
Page 2, paragraph 2, additional affidavit, my lord.
Okay, that the deponent begs to state
Yes.
that. Starting-
That the aforementioned CRP 53 has been filed challenging the Kabang summon dated 15/9/2023 on the principal ground that the Kabang has already been held on the same issue and a decision was rendered on 25/2/2021, against which the respondent has preferred an appeal, which is pending before the Court of Civil Judge Senior Division Pasighar on being transferred by the learned Court of District Judge Isiang White Order dated 1/4/2023. That 1/4 order is, my lord, at page number 7.
Page number
6.
six.
It has now been transferred, it has now been listed again.
The said CRP has been filed challenging the Kibang summon. This summon, which is that summon?
Someone is said, my lord, in the main civil division petition, page 42. It is in
Page
the
42 translated 43.
43.
So this has been challenged in CRP
Yes.
53/2023.
Yes,
Then what? Then what happens?
my lord,
Again, on the same subject matter, summon has been issued.
yes,
Which summon?
42, my lord. Page 42, local language. 15/9. This is the local language translated is at page 43.
43.
Yes.
No, I'm still not getting.
My lord,
Against this summon,
yes,
Kibang summon.
Yeah.
You have filed this CRP,
yes,
correct?
yes.
Then they have again reissued over
My lord, decision was already taken.
by the Kibang.
Yes, on 25/2/2021,
Which is that? Which is that decision?
their decision, my lord. Page 36,
36 of
the civil division. Yeah. It is in the local language, translated copies at page 37.
37.
Yes. Sorry, my lord, the translation is not very happy. On 25 February 2021, a Kabang was held in regard to the land and ornament dispute arose between Sri Gandhi Darin, that is the respondent, and Sri Obid Darin, petitioner at Milko village. Kabang was held under the chairmanship of Sasensas and was assisted by Sri Sasensas. The Kabang was called upon due to the issue raised by Sri Gandhi Darin on 11/2/2021. After hearing both the parties, all the members, elders, Gaon Buras and Buris who were present in the Kabang has unanimously come into final decision. There were 32 members of speaker in the Kabang. According to the majority of members, they had an opinion that the ornaments had been taken by late Kinu Darin, that is the father of the respondent. Because the Abuk Kanji, that is a gun locally, they have said, was also taken by late Kinu Darin. All Rodne Are, that is the paddy fields,
Mr. Pangin,
my lord.
against this Kambang judgment,
Yes.
you have filed CRPC.
No, they have filed an appeal, the respondent before the deputy commission. Your lordship will have page 38.
Against this,
They filed an appeal before the deputy commissioner. But after the coming into force of the Arunachal Pradesh Civil Courts Act, the deputy commissioner transferred it to the district judge. District judge has now transferred it to the civil judge.
so what is this CRP?
CRP is challenging, my lord, the fresh summon again on the same issue at page 43. While the Kabang decision is already under challenge before the civil court, my lord.
Just wait, CRP. Oh, so this CRP is filed
Yes,
challenging that summons.
summon, because the already a Kabang has been held. An appeal has been preferred by the respondent himself, which is pending before the learned civil judge. Now he has
So
again approached the
so
Kabang.
after this Kibang judgment,
Yes,
the Kibang has again issued this summons.
yes. And appeal is pending before the civil judge. CRD.
Appeal,
Yes.
which appeal?
Appeal is, I'm extremely sorry, my lord. There was, if your lordship may kindly have the additional affidavit. These things were not brought on record, that's why.
I think you should properly instruct your.
Yes, I am extremely sorry, I'm extremely sorry. Page 7 is the appeal, my lord.
Page 7.
Yes,
This appeal has been transferred to?
this appeal was initially before the deputy commissioner.
Yes.
He transfers it by, I mean,
Yes, wait, I think your.
this is embarrassing for him, my lord. I'm extremely sorry, man.
Yes, so this appeal was transferred to?
By the order at page 38 of the civil division petition, man,
Page 38
of the civil division.
of your petition.
Yes, man. I'm sorry.
Oh my God.
I'm extremely sorry.
Page 38.
Yes. It was filed before the deputy commissioner, your lordship has seen,
Page
38 of the civil division petition.
38.
Now, after the enactment of the Arunachal Pradesh Civil Courts Act, the deputy commissioner has no more jurisdiction in trial of appeal cases. Hence, matter may be transmitted to the Honorable Court of District Judge in compliance of subsection 3 of 15 of Arunachal Pradesh Civil Courts Act. Accordingly, civil courts, district judge.
May be transmitted to the Honorable Court of District Court,
Yes.
District Judge.
Pasita. Page 39 is the first order by the district judge.
Okay, now you take me to the pages, okay?
Yes.
Which is that Kibang decision?
Kabang decision,
First.
first Kabang decision is, my lord, page 36 of the CRP
CRP 36 of the
Third.
CRP translated
is
is,
37.
okay, just with page 37.
Yes.
Then against this appeal.
Appeal
where
was
is that?
filed at page 7 of the additional affidavit. I'm extremely sorry, man.
Page 7,
Yes,
page 7,
yes. This is before the deputy commissioner.
yes, page.
I must point out, my lord, while filing the appeal, the respondent did not make me a party. He in fact made party to the two Gaumburas and one drafting committee member, two drafting committee members. I was not even made a party.
They are present.
No, they have been struck off by the Lara district judge. That order is at
Okay,
page
okay.
39.
That just wait. So there's a appeal filed, okay?
Yes, my lord. This was filed on, my lord, 8/3/2021.
Then this was endorsed to,
This was transferred by this page 38. my
by
lord,
which
CRP.
order?
Page 38, my lord,
Page 38 of your,
civil revision petition,
page 38.
29/7/2022.
Okay,
This was transferred by the deputy
Page.
commissioner.
this week, 38 CRP. May be transmitted.
Yes, to the court of the district judge. Pasig.
Yes. Okay,
Then my
so
lord,
when the matter,
Next.
this, the
Next page.
appeal was pending before the district judge,
yes,
summon was issued.
my lord.
Which summon, which is that?
Someone is
Page 43.
43. my lord. On the same subject.
Page 43. This is page 43 is a
Civil revision petition.
CRT
This is dated 15/9/22.
summon issued
On the same subject.
by Kebab. Accordingly, the present civil. Just excuse me for 2 minutes.
Problem closed.
20, my lord, it just come up for hearing, but my lord, kindly direct for preparation of the paper book. LCR has come. Otherwise, your lordship will be inconvenient. We will pay for this. We'll see with it.
This RFA. The registry is directed to prepare the paper books and supply the same to the learned counsel for the parties against cost. Against cost of the paper books, okay? Listed after preparation of the paper books.
Over.
Over.